Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today. I'm excited to paint. I have really nice bright colors. I'll be painting on this square canvas. So my first color is from Artist Loft. I'll be using some aqua green. My other color is also from Artist Loft, some metallic purple. I've got some metallic lemon yellow here. And my white is also Artist Loft. And I will also be using some primary magenta from Amsterdam. So I'm excited to try. I'll be actually trying the Dutch technique, so I've never tried that. I'm excited as usual for something new. And if I run out of green because I'm using leftovers, I might just add some of this aqua flash color shift. I'm not sure yet. I'll see if I need it. So everything has water and Floetrol, and I actually had no silicone in anything. So here goes. So I'm really pleased with the overall outcome of my first Dutch pour. I find it kind of looks like a stained glass a little bit, and as the painting dried, the aqua really popped a lot more. Unfortunately, at the bottom of the canvas, the texture of the white kind of didn't come out as I would have hoped, but with the overall look, I'm very happy. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!